Union Health Minister JP Nadda has ordered all central government hospitals and medical institutes to prioritize heatwave affected patients and their treatment. So this is a decision that's been issued by the new Health Minister JP Nadda. Sneha, instructions going out to the healthcare system, the government healthcare system, because like you rightly pointed out, if 15 people are confirmed dead, that number is likely to be higher and will likely rise. There are 48 hours more of this code red that has been sounded by the IMD.
Well, absolutely, and diagnosis of hypothermia, which is in fact a condition in which the body is heated up in a way that it could lead to possible death, is something that the government is instructing the doctors all over central government hospitals to do, identify such patients and treat them as according to protocol. A list of do's and don'ts has also been previously released by the Health Ministry in identifying these patients. I was telling you earlier, Shiv, that a lot of patients are talking about the fact that, a lot of family members of patients are talking about the fact that this was death due to heat wave, but the numbers aren't really reflecting the true picture. So very non-specific autopsies are indicating that perhaps or maybe is contributing to this entire situation getting underplayed a little, and that's the reason why these instructions that follow the criteria to not just treat, diagnose, but also identify victims who succumb to heat wave conditions, and then that should be clearly spelled out. And that is something that the government is constantly emphasizing on for the larger plan, for the larger play picture. There has to be accurate data.
Right.
Questions have been raised by environmentalists on the lack of actual data also in connection with heat wave, and this is something that the governments are in fact working on, not just the central government but also the state governments,
all right,
given that health essentially is a state subject.
Very, very worrying, and we're going to keep an eye on this big story. That's the reason why we chose to lead with this story today at 5 p.m. because this is, as you saw with the numbers that Sneha has been reporting, this has become a life and death situation. Thanks also to Aditya. Pity we couldn't go to him on that Patna input, but also to Devankur for getting us that report from Jaipur.